Thank you for joining us tonight. Stores and businesses across Mississippi and the United States are once again dealing with a shortage of products on their shelves and in their warehouses, and it is all because of the pandemic.
The root cause is because of disruption of the supply chain across the globe. Stephen Pimpo spoke with a Louisville-based business that fills orders worldwide about how they are weathering the storm. He joins us live in the studio with more. Stephen.
Audrey Winston, that's right. The supply chain manager for Taylor Machine Works says they first started noticing this shortage in April, beginning with microchips and expanding to things like lumber and steel. Despite that, Taylor continues to operate near full production as much as possible.
From what they're telling us, they expect this to last through next year, through 2022. So it looks like we're kind of in for a long, kind of bumpy ride still.
That's what Taylor Machine Works has been told to expect by their suppliers regarding the ongoing product shortage and shipping disruptions due to the pandemic. The Louisville-based manufacturer for industrial lift trucks says their shipping times still haven't gotten back to normal as they deal with the effects of material shortages and a lack of manpower in both cargo shipping and trucking.
We've seen an increase just in containers, shipping containers, price-wise of 260% increase since the first of the year, since the 1st of January. It's unheard of up to this point.
Ironically, the impact on the shipping industry has only increased the need for products like forklifts, but Taylor Machine Works still has to wait on the components to manufacture them.
On the West Coast, they're experiencing a lot of ships out there waiting to be unloaded. We're waiting for the components to come through that same port.
To combat that, supply chain manager Scott Hollenhead says they have increased inventory,
but not try to carry too much because any component can shut you down.
Maintained good relationships with their suppliers.
Negotiating with suppliers to try to get our best pricing.
And found alternate production methods.
Our engineering team has been great working with us, trying to work out these issues of the supply chain shortages. Whereas, we can't get this product in, and, we have something close to it. Can we use that?
Hollenhead says it's all part of their commitment to both their customers and the Winston County community, which relies on Taylor Machine's economic engine to drive development.
We do everything we can to make sure that we can stay viable and keep this machine moving forward.
Taylor Machine is also able to ship many of their finished products directly to customers as well, helping reduce the impact of the driver shortage.